In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay someone on Wise. We'll walk through the basic process of sending money through Wise in a simple and clear way, so you can follow along without confusion. If you're new to Wise, don't worry. This is a straightforward transfer flow, and once you've done it once, it becomes much easier the next time. To get started, go to the Wise homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account before continuing, because you'll need access to your transfer options. Once you're on the main Wise screen, take a moment to look around so you can easily spot the area used for sending money. From there, click on Send. This is the option that starts a new transfer. When you select Send, Wise will begin guiding you through the payment process. This is where you move from simply being on the dashboard to actually setting up the payment for the person you want to pay. Next, choose GCash. This step is important because it tells Wise how the recipient will receive the money. Selecting the correct payout method helps make sure the transfer is routed properly. If you're following the same example shown here, GCash is the option you'll want to use. As always, it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right recipient method before moving on. After that, enter the amount you want to send. Be careful here, because this amount affects both what you pay and what the recipient receives. Wise may also show you the helpful details on the screen, such as the exchange rate, fees, or the estimated delivery amount. Take a few seconds to review the information so you know exactly what the transfer looks like before continuing. This is especially useful if you're sending money internationally and want to avoid mistakes. Once the amount looks correct, click Continue. That moves you to the next part of the transfer process, where Wise will continue with the payment setup. At this stage, you'll typically want to keep reviewing each screen carefully to make sure everything is accurate before you finalize anything. And that's the basic flow for paying someone on Wise. Open Wise, click Send, choose GCash, enter the amount, and continue. If you follow each screen carefully and review the details as you go, the process should be quick and smooth.